I'm Miyagi. Wait a moment. Here I am. I am gonna turn on the locator bar. It's already on. My cousin is not join. I'm pretty Yagi. I'm gonna change my touch controls. I'm pretty Yagi at the moment. I'm into Yagi. My cousin will join later. I'm gonna do away. Really important. I'm young. Perfect. I already used it in my first video. But I take this off by an advantage. I'm breaking it. Recap? Yes, video recap is creating a new one. A switch. So I have cold trap and intense. Just in at day 5. Day 5 and the turn off the So guys, I'm gonna clear the angle. I'm gonna yan at speed mode to it is to clear the golem. I'm gonna take a minute. I put the
Baba.
ayan.
Kukan.
Okay, ipopost ko muna. Guys, I'm gonna eat post. Okay guys, I post the video recording. It did where I took. Yes, this one. I hope do you guys can just spawn or not. I'm gonna turn the video in case. You do good. Don't daughter. One. I told you make a sword or a diamond. What about the arts? What about the art more iron? What sword is a better? It's better. I'm not playing. I'm not find I'm not get them fruit. And then turn off clickbait paper. Or it my art.
System please.
Look, I turned off the. Oh my god. What could I make my house with? Spruce or oak? Make comment. I'm pretty yagi with a bee. Oh yes, another villager with a warrior trait. Kapibaya. I'm gonna trap him too. I'm gonna trap it. Okay, too. I I dropped myself in. Hey, look at this. Look at this thing. it this? Bear. Iron. Wait. Crossbow. Bow of a phantom. Name tag. Water bucket. Gunpowder. I'm gonna put my... I don't know. Underground tail of it. Nothing. So you get there's nothing. I put the glow in your glib. What does? Saber. Yun pala. Wood. Wow. Yagin.
Sige na, Pia, mamaya na lang. Ulitin mo yan, boy.
So, I'm making this.
Naglaba ka na ba?
You hear other voices. That means that the noise of my clean recorder isn't working.
Pia na mag-ano. Uy, di ko pa na yung kay Tita Agnes.
Yagin.
Sige na, Pia, mamaya na lang.
Okay guys, I'm gonna pause this video for a moment. I'm gonna go to that page.
Uy, ulit! My cousin wasn't joining.
If you heard that voice, I already said it at the beginning. It's my cousin.
Bro.
She has a
What?
tablet, so she maybe yes, lagi that be. I'm going back to the beach.
I'm not laggy. Hi everyone. Basta yun. Are you back, Bojack? He said manahimik ka to me. And
I'm lagi.
I don't know what is that mean. And he's laughing at
I'm
me.
tired.
I know my English was not really good and I don't have
Wawa.
bakit?
I hate sweet berries. Gamitin mo yung cater bar. Ngayon. So guys, it's almost night.
Pia, gusto mo? Super lambot? Ayoko niyan.
Ito guys.
Mamaya.
My cousin is heading this way. I'm gonna trip or could I'm gonna
How are you?
wait the night. My cousin is gonna take over my phone. I'm gonna
Bro,
go.
why me? I'm playing too. Can't you see?
Wait guys. Yung creator bar, lagay mo sa middle, dapat nasa middle yung creator bar. Yan, punta mo yan, diretto. Peaceful mode naman, peaceful mode.
Yeah, I know.
Okay guys, I'm back. So, cousin is playing Minecraft. Hit gonna come here any minute now.
I'm just getting a wood.
I'm gonna clip. I'm gonna make it only one person needs to clip.
Why?
On day 5, I'm gonna make it normal mode again.
4. Oh, make it day.
Okay, I'm gonna clip now.
Uy, ba't may ganito? Bago totin.
Tamod dyan. Gumawa ka apps para maganda.
There's a bee.
Gawin mo na wood. Gawin mo yan. Okay guys. I'm gonna post the video until my cousin gets here.
Wait for me.
Guys, sorry for the cut. This is my older cousin. She's like 50 years old.
No, I'm not. I'm just 12 years old.
She's 12,000 years old.
No, you're so mean.
I'm 8.
I'm so laggy. By the way. Ba't naiyak?
Okay. Naloot ko na yan.
Parang check.
Nandito, naloot ko na. Yan, nakuha ko na yan.
Ano laman nito?
Ito, dalawa. Iron spray, iron pickaxe. Itong base ko, ito maliit na base ko. May kaso kong bigger.
Base na yan?
Hindi, temporary base.
Pero house mo din yan.
Hindi, hanap pa ako ibang village. Isa pa, ito normal village. May
Tara,
pa,
hanap tayo.
tara. Sinipon ko coordinate. Let's go! Good no, punta mo. Wait, I'm laggy. Okay, let's go. Hey! No.
You're so laggy.
I'm not. I'm perfect. Perfect. Oh.
Ito.
Strawberry. Ang dami ko ng strawberry. My cousin is distracted at the strawberries.
What's it do?
No, strawberries.
Oy, ano ba?
Let's go. I'm gonna find the base while my cousin is pulling around like a monkey.
O, dyan pala, nagtago ang isang bata. Bakit? Andito, nag-aalaga. Open natin yan?
Open na natin yan. Sorry guys. Guys.
Ay, hindi pwede
Okay,
dyan.
guys.
Nagagawa. May ano dyan, Keisha. May ginagawa si tatay
So,
na
guys.
ni tita.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
This is my older brother.
Old brother. Hinento!
Mamaya, pag nagtawag si
Mamaya
tatay,
pagising ko.
madumi-dumi.
Pagising ko.
Okay guys, my older cousin is so slow. Ba't kumakain ka? Diyan magkaya ng kumain. The swamp is dangerous.
Bro, there's a village.
Hello?
Well,
Keisha? Ayun na, gusto mo biskuit, Keisha?
my damn.
Ayun na,
That's
Oreo.
a village.
Keisha, gusto mo Oreo?
Aray!
Ayun daw, may friends. Ay, may friends ba yan? Ito.
Ano to?
Wow, Richies!
Liga.
Ang sarap, balik-balik.
Doon mo. Bumalik ka doon.
Hanapin ka?
Yuki.
Say, open, tita.
Guys, I died.
Keisha, gusto mo ba? I die! Keisha, look at your tita.
Yan, go.
Keisha, look at your tita.
Keisha, taraki no.
Keisha, tarakin ako.
Guys, I'm gonna go to... Guys, I died. I died, guys.
Open voice.
Open na hindi.
Hello?
Open na hindi.
I died.
Ayoko na. Ayoko, hindi ko bubuksan niya. Baka di kainin.
Later, I'm gonna record a bedwash video with my brothers.
Sabi mo kay sa carbon body.
Ayun nga yung buksan.
Para sama ng pakaramdam ko.
Oh no. Huwag mahawa kami ha.
Gusto din ako dati nung nagpadyas.
Ang galing ka mo nitong cellphone dun. Tulobat siya pero nag-a-alarm siya.
Bibili din ako ganyan. Gusto ko yung flip phone.
Nagulat nga ako, sabi ko, ay di na yung mag-a-alarm kasi lobat na. Tapos
Nag-alarm.
nag-a-alarm siya lang.
Saan ka, Jack?
Ang galing.
I died. I'm coming, don't move.
Parang mga
I'm coming, don't move.
Why did you die?
I fell in a cave.
Apple body jeans. Bro, what's that?
Shut up and don't move.
There's an egg.
Dragon egg.
At pala yung talakadami.
Keka. Keka at tayo.
Jack, anong mood to?
Wait. My blueberry or my blueberry?
Meron?
Siya.
Hey!
My blueberries. Kaya ko blueberries. Hanap ko. Mamaya, papakita ko sa'yo. Blueberries. Wait a minute, guys. Nandiyan lang blueberries.
Kaya siya, baka malaglag ka biglaan. Ha? Alin? Electric fan? Trick fan.
let pan.
Fan.
Let pan.
No, tinanggal niya na ngayon nandito. Di ko alam kung nasan niya.
Let pan.
Wala akong blueberry.
I have some in my inventory.
Let pan.
I have some in my inventory. I'm coming. I'm so close. I'm very far away.
Aray! Let
Sunod ka
pan.
lang sa akin, ha?
I see the house.
Papuntahan mo na ako.
Don't move. I see the house.
Ang layo mo.
Let pan.
I see the house.
Anong house?
Yung view. Yung may view ta kaya yun.
Lick pan. Lick pan.
Wait, I'm yagi. I see this.
Alam mo, iba
Yes.
yung bag sa McDonald's.
I'm.
Power pack. Sa Pilipinas na ba to?
Sana.
I see my cat point. Wait, guys.
Lick pan.
Napit ko na.
Kaya mga sinasabi, ano yan? Ano to? Christmas. Merry Christmas mga sabi kanina eh. Wala na naman yan.
Am I gonna die again?
Wala na naman yan.
Oh, I see a building.
I died. Wait a minute. Wait for me.
Umbrello.
Wait for me, guys.
Ay, ang cute.
Guys.
Wallet.
Bili tayo.
Wala pa ata.
I'm coming, guys.
Sheesh.
I love this.
Uy, lang muna.
I'm coming. Wait a minute, guys. Okay, guys. I'm gonna. There, perfect. Ate Priya, don't move. I'm coming.
Oh, kami. Edit.
I'm coming, guys.
Ganda ni ano, ng pastillas, girl.